Room tour.
Jindo.
Fighting?
Wow.
We're going to eat Jindo for our 2 weeks. Also, we Jindo to you later today.
안녕하세요.
Last time,
So this is what I ordered for lunch. 냄새가 너무 좋아. Friends order tomato sauce, 짜장면, 라면.
Shopping ka pala?
Wow. I bought Nivea Cream. We bought a lot of snacks. Ayun na po naman nag-shopping. Dami pinambili. Dami oh. Dahil kanila na nagastos sila.
today 54,000.
Mana, 샀어. Huli-huli. Tara siya. Nakuha ka.
Oh yeah. You caught me. tornado.
지금은 식당에 왔어요. 와, 맛있겠다.
That one. Divided 3. So, 우리가 하나니까 사면.
We just arrived. Kaya pa, mataas-taas pa yan.
Fighting?
Wala naman ako.
Ayan.
Wow! This is our room for this Jindo workshop. Yes. So, there are 6 rooms and 4 kami here inside. Dito ako sa taas magstay. Sa tabi ng bintana. Sayang din niya pa makita yung view kasi gabi pa. Ate Kay, musta naman ang pag-akit ng mga luggage? Mga gamit namin. So, meron kaming TV and these are cabinets. Yan, basic cabinets. And meron din kaming refrigerator. And our mama is refilling our fridge with a lot of food. And the snacks. Dito po nakatago kami snacks. Mirror here. And another lagayan ulit. And yes, meron kaming blower. I'll tour you guys sa aming 화장실. So here's our 화장실. Walang bidet. And our shower. And that's our short room tour. Ayan. Sayang hindi nyo pa makita yung view kasi gabi pa. Pero I'll show you tomorrow the view. It's so super nice here. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Bye.